THETA cost really equivalent to $1.0370 a coin in a very large manner. The present exchanged cost range, 1.0280, 1.0650, which sort of is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 1.0560, the change most certainly was 0.0190, 1.80%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Reverse rate, United States dollars to THETA, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. THETA value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. THETA cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.97, most extreme 1.04, certainly least 0.90, which especially is genuinely huge. THETA gauge on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $0.95, truly greatest 1.02, kind of least 0.88, which by and large is very huge. THETA cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $1.01 in every way that really matters, greatest 1.08, lovely least 0.94, showing how the earlier day close, 1.0560, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. THETA gauge on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.97, especially most extreme 1.04, especially least 0.90, which especially is genuinely huge. THETA cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.93, especially most extreme 1.00, truly least 0.86 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week THETA estimate on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.94, beautiful greatest 1.01, especially least 0.87, or so they really thought. THETA cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.97, exceptionally greatest 1.04, sort of least 0.90 in an especially significant manner. THETA figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.95, certainly greatest 1.02 in every practical sense, least 0.88, which generally is very critical. THETA cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.97, genuinely greatest 1.04, truly least 0.90, which generally is genuinely huge. THETA estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.93, really greatest 1.00 in every practical sense, least 0.86. In about 14 days THETA cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.89, greatest 0.95, essentially least 0.83, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. THETA estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.94, essentially most extreme 1.01, certainly least 0.87 in a significant way. THETA cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.94, exceptionally most extreme 1.01, really least 0.87, which basically is genuinely critical. THETA conjecture on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.92, exceptionally most extreme 0.98, essentially least 0.86 certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. THETA cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.99, beautiful greatest 1.06, sort of least 0.92. In 3 weeks THETA conjecture on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.98, really greatest 1.05, least 0.91. THETA cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $1.06, sort of greatest 1.13, truly least 0.99 in an unobtrusive way. THETA conjecture on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $1.09, certainly most extreme 1.17, essentially least 1.01. THETA cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $1.07, most extreme 1.14, beautiful least 1.00, or so they explicitly thought. THETA gauge on Friday, walk 31, cost $1.06, extremely greatest 1.13, genuinely least 0.99, or so they thought. In about a month THETA cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $1.08, fundamentally greatest 1.16, beautiful least 1.00, or so they especially thought. THETA figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $1.10, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.18, especially least 1.02 in a significant way. United States dollars to theta swapping scale really equivalent to 0.9643 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach, 0.9390 0.9728, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The past AS nearby, 0.9470, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Change for now plus 0.0173, plus 1.83%, which basically is genuinely huge. Dollar to theta estimate on Monday, WAC 6, cost 1.031 coins, greatest 1.111, certainly least 0.962, or so they generally thought. United States dollars to theta expectation on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost 1.053 coins, kind of greatest 1.136, extremely least 0.980, or so they especially thought. Dollar to theta gauge on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost 0.990 coins, kind of greatest 1.064, really least 0.926. Or so they for the most part thought. United States dollars to theta expectation on Thursday, WAC 9, cost 1.031 coins, sort of greatest 1.111, really least 0.962, or so they generally thought. Dollar to theta estimate on Friday, WAC 10, cost 1.075 coins, most extreme 1.163, really least 1.000. Showing how US to theta conversion scale, truly equivalent to 0.9643 coins per $1, which especially is very huge. In multi-week United States dollars to theta forecast on Monday, WAC 13, cost 1.064 coins, extremely greatest 1.149, least 0.990 amazingly. Dollar to theta estimate on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost 1.031 coins, exceptionally greatest 1.111, extremely least 0.962, kind of additional appearance how theta figure on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost $0.95, kind of greatest 1.02, in every way that really matters, least 0.88, which sort of is very huge. United States dollars to theta expectation on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 1.053 coins, truly greatest 1.136, truly least 0.980. Dollar to theta estimate on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 1.031 coins, extremely greatest 1.111, really least 0.962 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to theta expectation on Friday, WAC 17, cost 1.075 coins, truly greatest 1.163, fundamentally least 1.000, so the earlier day close, 1.0560 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days dollar to theta figure on Monday, WAC 20, cost 1.124 coins, for the most part greatest 1.205 in every practical sense, least 1.053, showing how change for now plus 0.0173.